Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to activate the grid lines on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now let's tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. So let's enter it, and here we have to scroll down and find the useful features section, and as you can see on the third position we've got grid lines. So in order to activate them, simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see from now on they are turned on. So let's get back to the camera, and as you can see those helper lines are immediately activated and applied to our camera. So from now on you will be able to take harmonious photos, and they will be extremely helpful if you are trying to apply the rule of thirds in your photos. So be also aware that these helper lines are visible only in the camera, so after taking a photo they won't be visible. Let me show you. So let's tap on the shutter button in order to take a photo, and now we can tap here to check the preview, and as you can see here we've got our photo we just taken, and as you can see you cannot see the grid lines. So actually that's all. This is how to turn on the grid lines. Of course, if you want to turn them off, just go back to the settings right here. Now let's scroll down a little, find the grid lines and tap on the switcher to turn them off. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the grid lines in your Samsung Galaxy M31s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.